This is Airport Blues. Here we go. Hope it sounds okay, guys. It's called Walls. If the walls could speak, they're telling me another year, you're still here, another gone, and you're still playing all the same old songs. Memories are made, and memories fade. Making plans in the van. You slap my face, you made mistakes, and things could never be erased. My body's free, but my heart lives in a lonely prison. And now I know that life without you is not worth a life I live in, but we know it's a lie. We will survive. I miss your eyes and your thighs. You taste your face to play your chest to lower Monday. Mama said there'd be a day that one would unlock your heart. And now I know that it was you all along. I still let it all fall apart. If the walls could speak, they're telling me you fucked up again, you made your bed, now go to sleep. Airport Blues.